Part 17. We are going to continue with transformation geometry, and we're still going to stand still at enlargement. You will find this on page 251 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Finding the center of enlargements and scale factor. The figure and the image must be given. Okay, so they must give you the figure, they must give you the image. Finding the center of the enlargement. Draw straight lines connecting A and A dash. So, and extend the line. From B, okay, let's just see if this is correct. I think this is just a printing. Let's just correct this. This must be B, according to the sketch. And this must be C. Okay, so basically, I'm going to just from B to B dash and I extend it. From C to C dash and I extend it. And where all the lines intersect, that will be my center. Okay, so the center of where the lines intersect. Finding the scale factor of the enlargement. Look for corresponding sides. Meaning, if you look at B dash C dash or BC. Now, if I look at the corresponding, if possible, not a slanted lines. So not this lines, rather a horizontal line or a vertical line. Okay. So if we look, I'm looking at, it seems to me, A dash, C dash, 4 blocks, A and C. Let's just see. I just want to see if this can be 4. 1, 2. Yes, it's B. It's just going to be, I'm just going to correct here also. So it's going to be A dash, B dash, and it's going to be AB. That's what it's going to be. So if I look at this one, it's 4, okay? And if I look at this one, it's 2. And if I say 4 divide 2, just remember, I'm just going to rewrite this for you. So it's A dash, B dash over AB, which is going to be 4 over 2. So therefore, my scale factor will be 2. Okay, let's look at an example. In the following figures, calculate the scale factor of the enlargement and show the position of the center of enlargement. So basically, this is my my original figure, and this is my image. Can you see? D, D dash, C dash, C, B, B, and this is my center. My scale factor, I can take any of these lines to see what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, and the answer will be 2. If I look at this one, usually if one figure is included in the other figure, you can always see that the center is one of the vertices. So if you connect, then this is the center of enlargement. And if I say this one, so I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I count 3, and the answer is 2. And if it's in the middle, do exactly the same. Connect the lines, connect the lines, connect the lines, connect. There is the center. And then if I look at the distance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 3, and the answer is 3. Always, just remember, the image must be on top over the original figure if you want to work out the scale factor. Okay, let's look at this one. I want you to do try now 20, and let's just, the figures is a little bit unclear. I will try to mark it. It's number A and B. This one is clear. I'm just going to try to do the next one a little bit more clear. So if I look at this one, it's just going to be here. It's always a bit more difficult if it's here at the bottom. Then it's like you struggle to get the lines accurately. That one is too low. Okay. Now let's see if we can move this line because I'm really struggling to get it now. Okay, let's just try to draw that one again. Okay, there is the figure. I'm just going to take a rubber, as long as you can see it. There's my rubber. And the line is just a little bit low there. Okay. Now, if I must find first, let's just start. I'm going to take red, and I'm just going to connect the same points. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. It always helps. So if I connect the same points, I'm going to make this line a bit thinner. It's like working with a sharp pencil. Otherwise, the line is almost too thick, and you struggle to see that center of enlargement. Okay? And then the next one. Okay. And then the center, this is the center. And it's going to be there. Okay. And if you look at this one, let's just quickly see. If I must find the scale factor, now remember the scale factor, okay, let's just write it here. The scale factor, it's going to be, okay, let's take either horizontal or vertical. Now remember, this is the new one. So basically, I'm just going to say, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I count 1, 2, 3, 4. And what will be the scale factor? The scale factor will be 2. And if I look at this one, okay, I'm going to start with this point. Again, make the line a little bit. And if I do this one, and if I do this one, I just want to see if that one is correct. Okay, rather between that two. Okay, and then this one. Okay, let's just see, 1, 2, 3. I think this one is a bit. Okay, it seems to me that one was incorrect. So I think I'm struggling a little bit with this figure. So I'm just going to, because this one is also, I just want to see that corner a little bit better. Okay, so if I do this one, then it's from this, no, it's just, I think it's going to be easier for you than me with my technology is always struggling a little bit more. Okay, and then the same here, let's just see that corner. So, okay, now that it's bigger, I think it's not even necessary to highlight it. Okay, so then if I do this one, okay, I think it's enough. You can try to do this one. But you must really try to be very accurate, otherwise you will struggle to see the center. Okay, so this will be the what? This will be the center. And then the scale factor, will be, okay, and remember what I said, take, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, and if I divide it by 2, the scale factor will also be 2. If I look at the last one, just for the interesting, I think now that it's bigger that you can see it, just because both was 2. Now, if you look at the last one, just take note that this one, what was this scale factor? This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this was just 2, and 8 divided 2. So this one's scale factor was 4. And again, if you want to find the center, from there, draw a line, draw a line, draw a line, draw. And I think that this one's center will also be exactly in that middle.